Now that our product has been assigned on our diagram, we can begin manipulating the seams. To change the layout direction of the whole diagram, go to the right-hand side under the Estimation menu and you can select Horizontal or Vertical. These are the master layout controls that will affect the layout direction for the entire job or layer. Note that we also have the option to change the layout direction by room. We can do this by selecting an individual room, going up to the Seam toolbar, selecting the Layout Direction button as highlighted in orange, and then by clicking our cursor around in the room and creating the layout direction that we would like, such as an angle, we can left-click and change the layout direction in this room. On the far right, you can see that we have estimation quantities as shown in our main floor spreadsheet. We can also choose whether or not we would like to auto re-estimate or estimate by layer, as well as adjusting the estimating speed, such as fast, balanced, or optimized. To add in a T-seam, go to the Seam toolbar and select the T-seam tool, and then you may left-click to place T-seams as shown in room 16. To add even T-seams, select the drop-down to the right of T-seam and select the Even T-seam tool. In this case, we will drop 2 even T-seams in the adjacent section, and note that that area is now divided into 3 equal parts. To view a cut sheet of a product, simply select a room where that product has been applied and note that the cut sheet will appear showing us our waste percentage, our overall quantities used, as well as all of the roll cuts visualized on the rolls of our product. We may zoom in and out and move pieces around in this view. In this way we can adjust the seam layout or waste optimization from either the diagram view or from the cut sheet itself. Note that if we click a piece on the cut sheet, the corresponding area on our diagram will be highlighted green, indicating where this piece of product will go. To move seams around, simply left-click and drag them around the room as shown. To delete a seam, go up to the Seam toolbar, select the Delete button, and then hover over the seam you wish to delete until the scissors appear next to the mouse cursor. Then left-click to delete the individual seam. To lock seams in place, simply go up to the Shape Edit toolbar on the far right, select the Seam Lock button, and then hover over the room where you would like the seams to be locked and left-click to apply.